Alright everybody, I'm out here near Sierra Vista. About 8 miles
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
About 8 miles from the city. Kind of windy out here. I'm just gonna go ahead and fly forward down this little ravine. I don't know what you call this thing. And just go check it out. We'll put in tripod mode real quick. Alright, so we're not flying way too fast here. Let's just go check out this beautiful river. It's pretty nice. Bring up the altitude a little bit. Alright, this is pretty cool. Hopefully you guys are seeing the sun shining on the trees here. It looks real nice. Alright, 23 feet up in the air. About 200 feet out now. A good visual line of sight of the drone. Alright, this is a little too slow. I'm going to put it on normal mode. Was it positioning mode? Just... Yep. Alright, daughter's asking for keys real quick. Go ahead, lock it back up when you're done. Okay. Let's go check this area out here and fly to the left side of this huge gigantic bush or tree, whatever you want to call that. Let's see how well the obstacle sensors are working. Alright. Working great. Hopefully the footage is really good for you guys too. Controls on this this drone are very nice, very easy to use. You know, you don't get any jerky movements or anything like that. Bring the antennas up on this thing. We'll just go through here a little bit. The return home is going to be a little tricky. I'm just going to have to rise up in altitude a ways. Okay. Lower this thing a little bit. Just continue going, see how far I can go. Alright. So far so good. This is pretty cool, guys. This is pretty neat. Alright, almost at, ooh! Lower it down a little bit. Go forward some more. Almost out to 1,500 feet right now. Signal's still pretty good. 91% battery. Oh, transmission signal is weak. So you guys might get some latency in the video. Alright, let's turn it around a little bit and come back. Yeah, looks like there's a lot of lag on the video. At least I'm seeing it. I don't know if you guys are. I'm going to bring the drone right back to me. Alright. There's a lot of trees. This drone goes out way further than this. It's just there's a lot of trees and things blocking the signal, so. Alright. Boy, I tell you, this drone's really easy to fly. Lower it down a little bit. Looks like it's avoiding the obstacles all on its own. Ooh, that was a close call right there. I barely even saw that. Alright, I'm going to rise it up. Come this way. Nice little bridge that my daughter and I are at right now. You guys see me? See me waving? That little black dot. Let's go through this bridge. Let's go into this bridge. Actually, I'm gonna go above it. I don't trust. I'm not that confident yet, guys. Zoom down a little bit on the bridge. Old bridge has been here about 100 years, here near Sierra Vista. About 10 miles to the right of where that car just came from is Tombstone, Arizona. So, pretty cool. Alright, I'm going to try to do a little maneuver here, see if it lets me. Alright, I'm going to go down. See if I can go into this bridge. Move forward just a little bit. Go down again. Oh, obstacle, I'm gonna go down. Alright, it's not letting me move, so that's good. It avoided that obstacle on its own. It wouldn't let me move the drone any further than that. Let's just go check out this little creek here. This is pretty cool. Alright, see what's above us. Oh, other way. Alright, nothing up, some telephone lines. Not sure if I'm going to get any interference, but let's bring it through here a little bit, and then we'll just bring it right back to me. Alright, still a decent signal. I'm going to rise it up. And, oh shit! Oh my god. Woo, that was close. Sorry for the cussing, guys. Alright, let's get away from these telephone lines. I'm going to bring the drone right back to me. Oh, look at the beautiful, beautiful rainbow over there. It's like a double rainbow. Well, I'll bring it back over this way, honey, and I'll try to get it to look at you, okay? That's a sight to see. See how far it goes here.
Dad, it has sand.
Hey, I'm recording, honey. I know there's sand down in here. It's a little old dry riverbed. Here, just put it in my pocket.
What is
Alright.
Wow, that's cool.
Okay. Let's zoom down, see what's below me. Yeah, I think it's safe to say I can go ahead and drop it a little bit. Let me move it forward just in case. Yeah, drop the drone down. Bring the camera up. Alright, and we'll bring it right back through the underneath that bridge and back over to us. Okay, 600 feet out. Alright, let's go, guys. Alright, I'm going to bring the drone right back to me. Oh, okay. Where am I at? I'm trying to see where I'm at here, guys. Here, let me turn the drone around. You should be looking right at me here in a second. There I am. Alright, and we're just going to land this sucker. Woo! Hey! Let's check the zoom feature on my ugly mug real fast. You see me? Alright, there's Sophie. Say hi, Sophie.
Hello.
Alright.
Hello.
Alright. Yeah, nobody wants to see that anymore, so I'll zoom out. And we'll just go ahead and land the drone over here. Alright, I'm going to go down, land the drone, and it's going down. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oh, there's a stick in the way. It looks like it doesn't want to land, so I'm going to move it forward a little bit. Oh, I'm near it, so that's why it won't land. Okay, I was too close to the drone. And I'm going to land it.
Landing.
Alright. Alright guys, well I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys very soon. See if I can get the gimbal to focus on me here. Alright guys, have a good one.